Miss Lett's class. I'm Martha. I'm Miss Lett's daughter. I'm 14 and I'm a freshman at County High. And I'm going to teach y'all's science experiment for today. So if you want to do this at home with me, you're more than welcome to, but you don't have to. And if you want to pause the video and go get these supplies, you're more than welcome. So for this science experiment, we're going to need 3 clear cups, water, blue food coloring, yellow food coloring, and paper towels. So first, with your 3 jars, you're going to fill your first jar up with water, just enough to not quite to be to the top, but about halfway, maybe a little more, and your 3rd cup with water. And we're going to leave our 2nd cup, the one in the middle, empty. So first, you're going to take your blue food coloring, and in your 3rd jar, put probably about 3, 4, maybe 5 drops, just depending on how big your cups are and how much water is in them. Just enough to get it pretty blue. And you can mix it around with a stick if you would like. And then in our 1st cup, we're going to do a few more drops of the yellow food coloring in our 1st jar. So once those are good and mixed in, you're going to take a paper towel, just one, and you're going to break that off and bunch it together into like a little line, kind of like this, scrunch it together. And then take our 2 ends, so if I had scrunched it together like this, I'm going to turn it and then take the first side and put it down and make sure it's touching the yellow water. And then bend it over and stick it down in our middle cup. Then we're going to take another paper towel and do the exact same thing to the other side. So take your paper towel, scrunch it together, bend it in half, stick 1/2 into the blue side and 1/2 into the middle. Alrighty, so then we're going to come over here and on a blank sheet of paper, and whether you're doing the experiment or you decided not to, y'all are going to do this. So get a blank sheet of paper. In the top left-hand corner, you're going to put the date, which is 8/27/20, and then in the right-hand corner, you're going to put your name. And then up here in the middle, we've got a drawing of our 3 cups, one with blue and one with yellow. As you can see, we didn't have a yellow marker, so we just drew a little squiggle to represent the water, did an arrow, and wrote yellow. So make sure that even if you don't have the colors with you, just write beside it what color it is. Then you're going to have your empty middle cup and draw just some, almost like the McDonald's M, to show the paper towels. And then draw a line under that, and we're going to make a T-chart. So we're going to have under that, on this side, you're going to write my prediction and predict what you think is going to happen with this experiment. And just give us a few sentences, nothing too crazy. And then on this side, tomorrow, Miss Lett is going to come back and show you what happened. So don't write anything on here yet, but tomorrow she is going to show you what happened. So I hope you liked this experiment, and it was fun teaching y'all. Bye!